So we're at the point in the project now where we can begin thinking about what to put into the built space, which is maybe my favorite part, the decorating and the really making it feel like our home. In Nick's work from home office, we were trying to figure out what could we do creatively with some furniture to be space efficient and still cost effective. Luckily, we have Kathryn here. Zach and Camille connected us. I had mocked up this out of paper because that's my medium, but she's gonna show us how to turn something much better than this even into wood that we can have a real functional piece.
What I'd like to build with Hannah today is a multi-function storage bench designed to work as open shelving, provide concealed storage, and comfortable seating with the addition of a cushion on top.
Hey, Kathryn.
Hey, Hannah, how are you? Welcome to your backyard workshop.
Yes, you really set up shop. It looks good.
Just here prepping for the multifunctional bench we're gonna make together.
Yes, you really leveled up. This was the unfinished version I think I showed you to share my idea. This is the finished version.
I love it. Absolutely. This was a good base for me. Now I know what you guys wanted. I thought we could add storage, a bit of softness with a bench, still have your bookcase, so that way it's used for different purposes.
I love that, and I especially love that we're putting something extra nice in this space for Nick because he is going to be working out of the basement.
It's my pleasure to help. You want to come join me?
Yeah,
Let's do it.
Get into it.
So we're just going to take the pieces that I cut
Okay.
over to the workbench. They're labeled so we know what parts will go where. Hannah's going to help me with this project. I'm super excited about it. But I do want to give it a bit of light sanding around the edges before we do attach them together. With this bottom, the first step that we're going to do is go ahead and add the sides to this. This just gives us a little extra help.
Okay.
But what makes this task easy would be to fasten it with a nail gun and then with a screw. Nail gun?
Makes me a little nervous, but you seem very
Don't be
confident
nervous.
with it.
Don't be afraid. I'm just hoping that she enjoys this process. You want to try to keep your hand as straight as possible. If you're slanted with it, your nail might come out here, might come out there. Sometimes people don't know they have a skill until they try something. So give it a shot.
At least it's the bottom,
Yeah.
right? So if it goes wrong, you'll never see it, although I'll think about it all the
Okay,
time.
so be careful, absolutely. Follow manufacturer's instructions with the tools, you know. Be very careful in what you're doing. So this is 3/4 inch wood.
Okay.
So we want the middle of that.
Like that.
Yeah. Ready?
All right, and then just pull the trigger.
Just pull the trigger. Boom. There
Oh.
you go.
Okay.
How did that feel?
Oh, good.
Wasn't
I
bad,
I
right?
could do that all day. Maybe I do have woodworking in my future.
So we're gonna flip it over, and now we're gonna add the centerpiece. You have 11 inches of depth for your bookcase.
Okay.
And so we wanna make sure that we line up the finished side of your bookshelf back with that 11 inches. We'll just add some screws to hold this together.
It's not
Put a little
going in.
pressure, just a little pressure, okay?
That only took twice as long as yours. My gosh. looks
Coming
like something.
together.
Yes.
So while we have this
Ooh.
flipped over, what
Yep.
I would like to do is just put the casters on.
This feels more forgiving than screwing the wood
It
together.
really is. Put some glue. We want it to be nice and flush with the back. And then nail it. One more major piece to put on before we add trim, which is going to be the lid. So you'll be able
That's
to
awesome.
flip this up. So I'm gonna first add the piano hinge to this.
Okay.
It's just a matter of adding trim. My God, it's coming together.
How heavy do you think this is?
We did to try to eliminate as many holes as possible on here. We used pocket holes. It's a kit, so they have their own fasteners and drill bits.
Oh,
and
wow.
So we're just gonna drop the screw into the hole and just drill. Just that easy.
It's definitely doable with two people.
Yeah,
But it
for
is
sure.
heavy.
It's a nice solid one. What do you think, Hannah?
Excellent. Thank you
You did a
so
great job.
much. Well, you did a great
Oh,
job.
you did a great job. Did you enjoy this process?
I did. It was more manageable than I thought. You made it
Okay.
easy.
What was your favorite part?
I'm tempted to say seeing it finish.
Okay.
But not because I didn't enjoy the
Yeah,
process. I really
yeah.
did. You helped me to feel empowered with the
Awesome.
power
That's
tools.
the goal. Today went really well. I had such a great time building the multifunctional bookshelf, bench, storage bin with Hannah. The best part was just being able to share the processes with her.
Today was great. I felt like I did a lot of looking over Kathryn's shoulder, which didn't feel particularly helpful, but it was helpful to me because I learned a lot. And I'm just thrilled with our finished product. We came a long way from this, which It's done.
So yeah, now you
finished
have
it
your
with stain.
bookshelf
Yes.
in the front.
Our secret storage in the
Your
back.
secret storage in the back. That's like the best part.
That is the best part.
Yeah, so how are you gonna finish it?
Well, let's sit and talk about that.
Okay, let's do. What do you think?
Yeah, it's bigger and heavier than I expected it to be, but that's gonna make it last. So those are certainly good things because again, I see this as like a family heirloom piece. It's a gift to Nick for now, but I can see our kid like hiding things in the storage and us all just really enjoying it together. So, I know it's just a piece of furniture, but it represents a lot more. Plus, I may also etch a little heart and N+H in there for just a little sweetness to Nick.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.